Hi again everyone, it's me, Midshipman Cristiano Aguilar. First year BSMT from the section G2A, and this time I will memorize the rule 27. So rule 27, vessels not under command or restricted in their ability to maneuver. A. A vessel not under command shall exhibit two all-round red lights in a vertical line where they can best be seen. Two balls or similar shapes in a vertical line where they can best be seen. When making way through the water, in addition to these lights prescribed in this paragraph, side lights and stern light. B. A vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver except a vessel engaged in a mini clearance operation shall exhibit three all-round lights in a vertical line where they can best be seen. The highest and lowest of these lights shall be red, and the middle light shall be white. Three shapes in a vertical line where they can best be seen. The highest and the lowest of these shapes shall be balls in the middle one of diamond. When making way through the water, a masted light or light side lights and a stern light in addition to the lights of ships prescribed in sub-paragraph 1 to 4, when the anchor in addition to the lights of ship prescribed in paragraph 1 and 2, the lights or ship prescribed in rule 30. C. A power-driven vessel engaged in a towing operation such as severely restrict the towing vessels and her tow in their ability to deviate from their course shall addition to the lights or ships prescribed in rule 24. Exhibit the lights or ships prescribed in subparagraph B 1 and 2 of this rule. D. A vessel engaged in dredging or underwater operations when restricted in her ability to maneuver shall exhibit the lights and ship prescribed subparagraph B 1, 2, and 3 of this rule, and shall in addition, when obstruction exists, exhibit 2 all-around lights or 2 balls in vertical line to indicate the side of the ship, the side of the obstruction exists.